Well, that picture right there is going to mean a lot for this year. If you missed it in Glendale, that is past champ or last year's champ and this year's who you would expect contender number one out. The third race, if you missed it, he dabbed his leg and immediately pulled off. I mean, this, you can see him rolling right there. The leg is just hanging, it's not on the peg, and you can tell he is either, well, he is very angry and also looks like he's in a lot of pain. And this is huge because obviously he comes in as the championship number one. He comes in the guy that everybody thought was going to dominate this year and, win another title, and this is big. I mean, he still is a very competitive guy. He was running up front, and you can see right here, he just puts his leg down and immediately picks it up, slowly pulls off the side of the track, and is already pointing down to it. This is this is not good. I don't think this is an ankle. I don't think this is an Achilles. If anything, this looks either, let's knock on wood, knock on wood right now, everybody. It was just a twisted knee, let's say, or a twisted ankle. He's sprained or something, and just decided, I'm hurt. I'm out of the points for the night. I'm just taking I'm taking the loss and moving on and not hurting myself or not trying super hard for the rest of the night. At worst, we don't even want to talk about, like, you can't really speculate on this. You can, I'm going to, but there's a multitude of things that could be, but when you see somebody dab their leg, it normally right into their knee, and that's the main thing. You can see him grabbing it. He's rolling around slowly, leg again dangling, and he is grabbing and pointing at his knee, and, well, obviously yelling. I mean, because he knows this is it. This is the championship right here. He's pointing down to it. You can tell he doesn't even want to stop. He's pointing right down, grabbing it, and just no stop. Nobody on the back of the bike, no medical, just back to the trailer. Obviously, we probably won't know anything for a couple days, but this sucks. I mean, obviously, like I say always, I want the most people racing at all the time for the most competitive racing, the most, fun to watch. If you have all the best guys running healthy, it creates the best product. It's the best racing, and that's what I want. And so it sucks to see somebody like this, But hopefully, like I said, knock on wood, it is not as bad as it looks. It's a sprained ankle, and he'll be fine. As any updates come out, I will provide them to you because that's what I do, and I appreciate you watching. But I guess comment down below. Tell me, did you like Glendale? Did you like the triple cross format? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.